Stacey Ray's travel tips. Stacey.
Now here's a product I never ever leave home without when I'm traveling. It's this first aid kit that I got from Amazon. Look for the link in the description. You never know what might happen, from a heel blister to a sprained wrist, and it might not just happen to you, but maybe someone you're traveling with. And that's why I always have this first aid kit on hand. It's compact, it's lightweight, and packed with what you need to handle little emergencies everywhere you go. What I love most is how easy it is to bring along. It weighs less than a pound and measures roughly 8 by 5 by 2 inches, so it's small enough to toss into your suitcase or your carry-on, and because it's so lightweight and compact, you can even slip it right into your day pack when you're heading out on an excursion. Inside the kit, you get 163 pieces of quality first aid supplies to cover all the basics and then some. I mean everything from a good assortment of Band-Aids to alcohol prep wipes. There's medical adhesive tape and PBT medical bandages, a non-woven triangular bandage that can double as a sling, and even an emergency blanket that can help if someone gets chilled. You'll also find stainless steel tweezers and scissors, sting relief pads for insect bites, and compressed towels for bigger spills. And all of this is organized in a durable, water-resistant bag that's easy to unzip and find what you need in a hurry. So, whether it's your own boo-boo or helping a friend out on the trail or at a cafe, this kit gives you peace of mind. It's one of those things I hope I never have to use, but I'm always glad it's there when I do.